'Tis the season to reach more potential customers and increase sales for your business. Let me show you how. CapCut Commerce Pro is filled to the brim with features that make our lives as business owners so much easier. We've talked about the video generator before, but what if I told you that CapCut Commerce Pro had an additional special something up their sleeve for the holidays? Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the video generator to create content for Christmas and New Year's. You can showcase your holiday sales in new, unique ways using the same assets that you've used for past content. With this special edition, it's even easier to create fun, engaging ads that convert passing viewers into loyal customers. Before we get into all of it, you can try CapCut Commerce Pro for yourself right now. Head to commercepro.capcut.com to start your free trial with your standard CapCut account. It will blow your mind. And subscribe to CapCut's YouTube channel for more tutorials and product updates. We're trying to help you take your content to the next level, and you don't want to miss what we're putting out there. Okay, without further ado, open your browser and let me show you around the Christmas Sales tab. When you head into the Christmas Sales tab, you'll see the standard video generator with a few more options to create content. You can paste in a link to the product you'd like to create content for, enter your product information manually, or choose the item from your products list. If you don't know how to import your products for this option, we have another tutorial on the channel that walks you through the entire process. Click the Generate button and you'll be transported to a page with all of your product details. Here, you can adjust the promo price and the dates in which the promo is taking place. You can also specify if the promotion is for Christmas or to celebrate New Year's, and you can specify which types of content you'd like CapCut Commerce Pro to generate. I highly recommend taking advantage of the Christmas meme format. Commerce Pro's funny meme ads perform 100% higher than your average TikTok as far as views go, and you do not want to miss out on that reach. If you click the Customize button, you can change even more aspects of your ads. You can add more media, review your scripts, and change your avatar and voiceover. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and let CapCut Commerce Pro generate some ads for you to review. In just a few seconds, I've got several options here, and they are perfectly themed for the holidays. My favorite is definitely the Christmas meme. I just feel like these are so much more engaging, especially when a cute animal is involved. I mean, we're looking at a Christmas kitty here. I'm obsessed. If you're not feeling a certain ad for whatever reason, Commerce Pro can generate a new option for you to review. You can also give feedback on any of the ads that are generated here so that CapCut Commerce Pro can keep improving its capabilities. If you're happy with your results and just want to make a few small changes, head into the Quick Edit menu. This should look pretty familiar if you've used the video generator before. You can remove things or rewrite aspects of your scripts. You can edit your caption style. You can add media or change the avatar and voice. There's just so much you can do from the Quick Edit menu alone to really align your content with your business's look and feel. Don't forget that you can also preview your ad on TikTok here, which helps to ensure that nothing is covered by the buttons on the side or your caption at the bottom. If you want, you can export from here, or you can head into the larger video editor by clicking the Edit More button. This is useful if you want to add additional assets to your content. For example, you can add a sticker or transitions here. CapCut Commerce Pro's Christmas tab has everything you need to create that content and get it out there ASAP. We all know that time is of the essence when it comes to promoting your business, and you don't want to waste precious time trying to reinvent the wheel when you could just get a little extra help from CapCut. What kind of promos are you running for the holidays, and what kind of content are you creating with the video generator to showcase them? Comment down below and let us know. I'll keep an eye out for all of your Christmas memes on my For You page this holiday season. And with that, I will catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.